Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video, I will show you how to install Max TV Studio on Windows 10, and here we are going to discuss about how to manage and administer your Max TV database. So this is our Max TV setup files. We have extracted the Max TV SAR file, and then these are the extraction result. So here we have to double click on this file SDB setup and just double click on it. Click on yes. So this is the global data path and this is the global programs path. So just click on the next. Here this is the installation description and this is the installation path. Click on next. This is the summary page that here this is the data path, this is the global program path, and this is going to take 374.88 MB, and this is the installation database studio description. So just click on the install here. Okay friends, so our installation of Max TV Studio is completed successfully. Just click on the finish here and now go to the C SAP DB clients database studio, and here we have a application name with DB Studio. Just double click on that. So here it is asking for a master password, so provide it. Click OK. Here it is saying that a new master password has been created. Do you want the password recovery? So here I am clicking on the no, and this is the welcome page in SAP MaxDB Database Studio. Here you get an overview, what's new, and samples, tutorials, and work plans. So I'm just closing it. Okay, so this is the page. Here we have to add our database server, and our database server is running on this system here. So let's add our system. Here expand my landscape, expand my server, then click on add server and database, and here provide your server name. Here I am typing the IP. Click on next. Okay, here it is saying that user management exception cannot connect to 7210. Okay friends, so as you are able to see that there is some issue with the firewall, so I have disabled the firewall of our database server. If you want to add a rule, you can also add the rule here, but here I completely disable the firewall as this is a demo system. Now again click on the next button here, and here it fetches the database detail that our database name is STP and this is the version and this is the installation path of our database STP. Just click on this, click on the finish button here, and here our database is added successfully. So now we have to provide the username and password here. Provide the username and password. And just click on the test login here. Okay, here session and DBM session are possible, so click on the finish button. Okay, our database is connected successfully. So here just right click on this and click on the administration. And here this is the overview page of our database, and here you get the details of installation path, global program path, name. This is the IP and database name of our server, name of our database, and operational state is online since this time, and version is this, and operating system is this. Automatic log backup is scheduled by default, and monitoring is on, and you will get the whole details from here. So let's click on the data area. This is the data area, and right now we have only one data file, and location for that is this, and we have provided the size 10 gigabyte, and here you can check that number of data volume is 1. Let's click on the log area, and log mode is single and overwrite mode is normal, and here also you can check that we have one log file here with size of 1 gigabyte. Click on the DB history, and on the DB history you will get the details like database backup, complete database backup, log backups, and all the database related activities here. History will be shown here. So this is the analyzer. Here you can analyze your database, and this is the task manager, and here you get the details of your parameter like max SQL logs are defined here, and these are the max SQL logs, these are the max user tasks, these are the details. Here you can check the backup related details, that this is the log backup and these are the complete data backup, and here you can go into the command line mode of your database. Okay, and here we have 3 icons that define our operational state of our database. This red one is defining that when you click on that are you going to shut down your database. So when you click on this, it will take our database in offline mode, and we are not able to perform any task into our database system, and it will not take any request from application also. So here I'm just cancelling it. This is the admin mode, and when you click on this and your database is in admin mode, then you are only able to perform your administration task into your HDB database, and this is the online. Right now our database is in online mode. As you are able to see here, a green dot is there, so it means that our database is in admin mode or online mode. So let's try one thing. Let's shut down our database. Okay, so here you can see that right now it is showing a red rectangle here, and our database is in offline mode. So let's bring it into admin mode. Okay, here you are able to see that now our database is in admin mode, and a yellow triangle is shown here. Also the yellow triangle is disabled now. Okay friends, so now let's bring the database into online mode. So now our database is in online mode, and by these are the 3 icons through which we can change the operational state of our database. So let's check the further administration task. So right click on the HDB, our database name, and go to the administration task. And from here also you can set the operational state of your database. And this is the backup tab where you can take the backup. Let's click on this and let's check. So here we have three options, that what kind of backup you want to take: complete data backup, incremental data backup, or log backup. So here we are going to take a complete data backup. Just click on the next here, and here let's create a new template and let's provide it name backup. And just click on the OK button here. Let's click on next and click on the start. Here, as you are able to see, that our database backup is done successfully. Size is very low now because we do not have any data into our database. So, and when you go to the backup here and just refresh it, here you are able to see that now we have one more entry here with complete data backup type, and that is done on today. Okay, let's check furthermore administration task. Again, right click on here and go to the administration task, and here you can configure the automatic log backup, recovery, snapshots, check database structure, check backup. Also you can generate a database trace or clear. Diagnostic package is also here. This is dynamic data area adjustment, automatic recreation of bad indexes, and here you can also schedule the automatic statistic update, change log setting, create database is also here, and from here you can load the tutorial, and here you can initialize the database. From here you can delete the database. So these are the main administration tasks, and we are going to use these features to administer and manage our database. Okay friends, so I think this is sufficient for this video. I will come up with more details about MaxDB. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.